What if a potential lead can leave all their contact information by just clicking one button and not having to go to a landing page or another website to actually type it in? In this video, we'll talk to you more about the Facebook lead generation ads and show you how to capture all that information right there on Facebook with one click of a button without having them leave to another page. Coming up. Hello there again, it's Carlos with Zepeda Media, bringing you the best digital media tips, tricks, and walkthroughs. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's find out more about lead generation ads. People are on Facebook for a reason, and they don't want to leave Facebook and go to a different website. So when they're there, they're scrolling, looking through their newsfeed. So if they should come across an ad or something that they wish to sign up for, they don't want to leave and go to a different website and have to type in all their information. So this is one of the great things about lead ads. So it captures all their information in Facebook without having them leave. So one of the things you want to do obviously is A/B split test sending them to your landing page, and split test doing a lead ad, and see which one of those two is performing better. Another great thing about leads ads is that Facebook autofills their name, email address, etc. right there on your form. So all they have to do is just click that button and it autofills their information. They don't have to type anything in. So that's one great way to capture their information right away without even them having to think about it. They just see a button, sign in with Facebook, click, register with Facebook, click, and that's it. Let's talk about the disadvantages of a lead ad. So one of the disadvantages is that the traffic is not going to your website. So they see your ad, they click, they sign up right there on Facebook, but they're not going to your website. Also, if they're not going to your website, what does that mean? That the Facebook pixel is not tracking them. So you can't build another custom audience and retarget them later with different Facebook ads. Okay, let's build our lead ad. So in our ads manager, you head down here to lead generation. Again, make sure to name your ad based on something you can easily track. Name of a campaign, a date, and who you're targeting. In the ad set section, make sure you fill out completely your audience who you want to target. So in your ad set level, if you haven't created one before, we need to create our lead form. So go ahead and click New Form. So one of the newer features that Facebook has is you can either choose more volume, use a form that's quick to fill out and submit on a mobile device, or higher intent, add a review step that gives people a chance to confirm their information. Okay, so here we are in the intro section. Make sure to put a headline, upload an image, make sure you follow the recommended image size, 1200 by 628 pixels. You can either do a paragraph or bullet points. The bullet point option is clean and straight to the point. Just takes your eyes right there. Tips, tricks, tutorials, etc. Whatever you're bringing in. Okay, so questions. So by default, it picks up email and full name. Now you have more options that you can choose from. These are all the options that Facebook allows you to do. Remember, if you choose these, you might get more volume, but less quality leads. By selecting something more, such as a phone number, maybe an address, you might get fewer leads, but you might get better quality leads. You can also click and add a question option. What extra thing do you want them to answer? Do you want them to choose a preference maybe of a certain item, a certain size? What size are you? What flavor do you choose, vanilla or chocolate? So you can do a short answer, multiple choice, conditional, or appointment schedule. Now, privacy policy. In order to continue with the lead generation ad, Facebook requires you to put in a privacy policy. Now, usually you can just get this from your current company website. You should have a privacy policy within your company website. Check towards the bottom of the page. Usually you'll see a little thing that says privacy policy. It's a link. You click it and you open up. You can just copy that link. Also, if you don't have one on your website, you can do just a quick Google search for privacy policy and just copy that over. If you are using a WordPress website, you can also install a plugin called Auto Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can install that and then from there get the link and paste the link onto here. Okay, after the privacy policy, you can come to the thank you screen. Quick thank you for them to signing up, quick thank you for registering, quick thank you, hey, somebody will be in touch with you, hey, thank you for your registration or choosing that item. So make a nice headline and a nice thank you description. You also have a call to action button that you can do for either go visit your website or download something if they signed up for a newsletter, if they signed up for a free downloadable PDF or an ebook. There could be a link right here, download the ebook, and add your website link here. Okay, so once you are all done, click finish, and that's it. There's your lead form right there. And it's that simple, folks. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out and let me know in the comment section below. Question of the day: how have you been using lead generation ads? And what was the most information you were able to capture from a lead? Make sure to leave those down in the comment section below. Remember, some of the best tips and feedback come from you, the Zepeda media community. So make sure to get down there and connect and engage with everybody else. So let's go ahead and continue your Facebook and digital media education by clicking or tapping on one of the videos right here. As always, Zepeda Media, bringing you the best digital media tips, tricks, and walkthroughs. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.